We're just 2 months away from the iPhone 17 launch finally. I'm hyped, and today I'm dropping my top 10 reasons why you might want to hold off and grab the iPhone 17 Pro Max instead of settling for the iPhone 16 Pro Max or 16 Pro. Let's dive in. 1. New design vibes first up. Apple switching up the back design for the first time since the iPhone 11 Pro. They're moving the flash away from the camera lenses into a bigger, cleaner block. No more weird light flares ruining your pics. It's all about that sleek look and better camera function. Point 2. Mixed materials, baby. Apple might ditch the full titanium vibe and mix it up with some aluminum too. Think two-tone style on the Pro. Models looking fresh and bringing some OG aluminum charm back. Classic meets future. 3. Camera upgrade madness. Currently, the 16 Pro has two 4.8MP sensors and one 12MP zoom. iPhone 17? ALL3 lenses at 4.8MP. That's a mega jump in zoom quality and overall photo sharpness. 4. Hello 8K video, this is huge finally. The 17 Pro models can record in 8K. The 16 Pro Max maxed out at 4000 because of that 12MP sensor. Now, every sensor's beefed up, so get ready for cinematic footage on your phone. 5. Front camera glow up, the selfie cam's jumping from 12MP to 24MP. Sharper pics, better low light, and smoother skin tones. Your TikTok and FaceTime game just got an upgrade. 6. Dual recording mode. Apple's finally letting you record with the front and back cameras simultaneously. Perfect for vlogging or capturing both sides of the story at once. Bet other brands had this, but Apple's just catching up, and that's cool. 7. Cooler than ever, the iPhone 16 Pros get hot fast when gaming or recording. The 17 Pro's packing a new thermal design to keep it chill. No more sweaty foam, more smooth sessions. 8. Speed Demon chip. The A19 Pro chip is coming in hot. Expect about 20 to 25% more speed over the A18 Pro. More power, less lag. Yes, please. 9. Custom Apple modems. Apple's throwing in their own Wi-Fi, 5G, and Bluetooth modems for better battery life and connectivity. This is big for those who hate drop signals and slow downloads. 10. RAM boost from 8GB in the 16 Pro models to 12GB in the 17 Pros. More RAM means smoother multitasking and better AI performance. Your phone just got a brain upgrade. So, there you have it, 10 solid reasons why waiting for the iPhone 17 Pro Max might be your best move. Are you feeling this hype? Planning to upgrade? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And hey, if you liked the video, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for all the latest Apple leaks, reviews, and news. Catch you soon. Peace out.